Hey, welcome back, folks. We're in my wife's 2020 Ford Mustang, and we're going to be replacing the center console vents because we bought this car used, and they're damaged, and I don't know why, but one was broken. I already removed it, and I'm going to show you how to remove the other two and install in these. It's pretty simple. Let's get to it. Now, these are the vents. I took this one out already. But you can see this one was broken. One of the vent louvers was broken. But there's some kind of, I want to say this is cleaning damage on these vents, and it doesn't look good. We tried scrubbing it out, but it won't come out. Since I'm replacing one, I'm going to replace all three. Now, to get these out, I'm sure there's a special tool for this, but what I'm going to be using is a set of needle nose pliers. And since I'm not reusing these, I'm just going to rip them right out of there. I'm not worried if I break them.
Break the whole vent. I think you can just pop it out like that.
Yeah. We don't give a shit, but yeah. Let's try that one without breaking it. Yeah, there you go. So they can't be taken out without being broken if you want to save them. I'm just going to trash them, so. Now the new vent is just going to, well, it should pop in. It's got these little clips here that engage into the housing. Let's see if it works. Oh, that's easy. Beautiful. And that's in. There we go.
Got it.
What a pain in the ass to get in.
That one was. The other one wasn't. There it is. Now it's better. Now they all look even.
Oh, yeah, that works better too. Now they're all the same.
Good.
Alright, so there you go. That's how you install the vents on the Mustang 2020 Eco Premium. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like, share the videos. Bye-bye. God bless.